Let me show you how to create a slip knot. The way I do it is I have the working yarn with the tail end over here on the right side. I twist the yarn into a loop, just like that. And then I take the working end of the yarn and I pull it through that loop from the back, like this. And then I pull on the end tail to tighten things up. And then I can put it on my hook and tighten, and I'm ready to start working. But there's also another way that I sometimes make my slip knot. So I'll undo and I will hold the yarn here with the tail end on the right side again. And then using my 2 fingers, I wrap the yarn twice around my fingers. Then I grab the strand here over on the left side and I pull it over the first strand. And then I repeat that one more time, pulling the left one over the right one and all the way down, and then pull on the tail, and you have your slip knot that you can put on your hook and tighten, and you are ready to start working.